Okay, so congrats on making end of course. I hope you are able to follow along with the all of the examples and session. And now you will be able to create your own GraphQL APIs or a client for your own application, as well as able to create the complex queries and mutations. I will upload the source code of the all the project which we were created throughout this series on a GitHub. So if you stuck anywhere or unable to resolve it, then it will be helpful to you. And I will also upload the presentation so you can revise what you have learned throughout this series in a few minutes. In this series, I was try to cover all the concept of GraphQL which are required by newbies to create queries, create APIs, or create a client. And throughout this series, I have created some simple queries or mutations. I hope you will use those concepts for make the complex APIs as per your requirement. You can also visit the GraphQL's official documentation if you have any queries or doubt. I have added its link in the resources. I just want the last opportunity to say that if you have any question or feedback regarding the course, or if you want to get in touch with me, you can contact me via mail, or you can also post the queries in the question and answer section. So thanks again for taking the course and wish of luck for creating your GraphQL API.